Hello cartoon race fans, we have a Choro-Q from the SuperGT series of the Yellow Hat Supra. Alright, this is 2006 here in the bottom, so it gives an idea of how old this guy is, and it might be new. It looks like the tape has never been broken. It's a lot of tape, 6 pieces of tape, it's weird. Okay, nope, 7, there's one on the top. Wasteful packaging. Oh, this is nice. It comes with a little plastic around it to keep the blister from scratching it up. And then it has this little box here, which frankly I will not keep. I don't have room for this stuff, so. Okay. So, this is, I believe, in the GT500 class of race cars. Pretty good livery copy. They don't have everything in there, but it is a much smaller model than it should be, so they can't fit everything in there. But they at least got the number right. The wheels aren't really matching this, though. There's some 5-spokes photos which you're looking at now. The first one had like split 5 spokes or 6 spokes, but they're not like BBS wheels. But I think I'm too lazy to bother. I might just add some black paint to these later. I do feel the riding stance is too high, though, that's for sure. So that might have to get swapped out soon. Okay, so Choro-Qs are great because there are no decals. These are all paint applications, tempo printing. And then the Toyota badge here is raised. That's kind of nice. And there's even some silver printing here on the headlight to make it look a little bit more realistic. We have texture, really fine texture here in the radiator area. Some black in there, it's recessed. These canards are actually molded in nicely. And then the chin spoiler goes up. The back we have some black and some molded details of tail lights. Alright. The wing is a separate piece. And then we have just a clear, not clear, silver window back here. I don't know why they painted it silver, because the photographs are clearly black. Strange. Alright. I don't know what the deal is with this. Why would that be there? It is on the photo also. Strange. Okay. No black paint in these vents though. It's too bad, but all in all it's still pretty nice looking. I mean, look how smooth this paint is. Really nice paint job. It's so glossy. Alright, so yeah, here on the bottom, if you buy this later on with no packaging, you can check the date here, and then it tells you what the car is, standard construction. So it looks like it's just that clear smoked plastic, and it's just really well painted. So I'm going to take this apart, just show you the inside, and then later I'll add the wheels back with some putty. But here you can see, you know, it's just one piece of plastic, well done. And then the axle here is trapped by this piece of plastic. And then it's a spring motor, so you can wind it up and pull it backwards. There's some 2 exhausts here molded in. And then the sticker tells you the car and the series it's coming from. So pretty neat. I don't know if that 14 means there's 14 other castings or 14 other liveries in the Super GT series. Not sure. Alright, let me get the wheels on with some putty, lower the stance. I ended up putting some white 5-spokes from a different Choro-Q on. I think I just like this thing with 5 spokes like the photograph more than the BBS style wheels. So let's compare it to a couple other Choro-Qs here. I have a SO Ultraflow racing car from probably the same series. It has the same type of deformation where the roof is pretty low. Just to tell you what I'm talking about, show you what I'm talking about, here's a normal Supra where the roof is very high. That one's got some Hot Wheels Real Riders on it that I repainted. So it's these Super GT cars are, you know, low like real race cars, so it's an interesting, different way of them super deforming. I do have one other from the series. It's a Zanavi Nismo Z. So yeah, same type of deformation, and they all have the same type of stickers back there, and yeah, pretty neat. I like them. So, I guess that's it. Let us get this thing spinning on its own. I'll get this solar coaster out. So I ended up 3D printing my own wheels here, very much like the photograph. These are Enkei wheels. I looked up the specs of this car. It's supposed to be running Enkei wheels. I couldn't tell you exactly what model Enkei wheels, but I made the match as well as I could. So in the end, it's another fine super deformed Supra. I like this whole series. It's pretty cool. Alright, well anyways, I'll get some more, so soon enough. Alright, thanks, bye.